Glassman CNC vertical drilling and milling machine is an advanced CNC machine, which combined with the feature of drilling machine, water jet, and grinding machine. With the advantage of the machine, can make the complex processing to be simple and easy. Glassman vertical drilling and milling machine carry Taiwan Syntec CNC control system. Can finish the complex processing in short time. Also can meet the high quality requirement. Special software SuperCam professional simple and easy. Glassman show working. Change tooling. Automatically can speed up the processing. 5-axis structure allows the completion of drilling, milling, everything in one cycle. Glass thickness is 8 mm. Driller with countersink diameter is 16 mm. Drilling a hole will cost 5 seconds. Glass thickness is 8 mm. Milling router diameter is 22 mm. Wheel milling 600 mm per minute. Glass thickness is 8 mm. Everything router diameter is 22 mm. Wheel everything 900 mm per minute. Automation and mass production will help you to be the top leader of the business. Glassman, always beside you.
Glassman.